So I have another great healthy recipe for you, and this recipe is only 31 calories per cup. It's a whole grain. Take a guess? It's popcorn. So get some sea salt ready. I have a misto bottle with some olive oil ready to go and some popping corn. This recipe is going to give that popcorn that buttery taste without it being so unhealthy. And everyone's going to absolutely love it. Enjoy. So that is an easy recipe, and it tastes great. We use it for movie night all the time, and it's a healthy snack. What do you think, hon?
It's so good!
Ha, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Check out our description where I have a link to my blog with other great recipes and reviews and tips. Thanks again.